Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on UNIHERTZ Tank 3 Pro. To do this we'll need to open our settings and they should look like this. Then scroll all the way down and enter the system. Here you'll be able to find the gestures. There's 3 of them, not counting system navigations too. So first one is quickly open camera by double clicking on the power button, and it works from any screen. That means it should launch your camera. Then we can choose system navigation, and here we can pick how to navigate your phone, either by gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations. We have another video explaining this section in detail, so if you're interested, be sure to check out the playlist for this device and find the gesture and how to change navigations on this phone. Then there's a prevent ringing that we can activate or deactivate. When activated, you can put it to either set it in vibrate or mute mode. In this case, we're gonna go with mute. Then press on the power button and volume up button together to activate this one of those modes that you picked. And as you can see, our phone went into the mute, and if we have to choose a vibrate, it will turn into vibrate mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.